Getting your driver's license in Alabama starts with learning the rules of the road. The easiest way to do this is by downloading the Alabama Driver Manual from the Department of Public Safety website or picking up a copy at a local office. This guide is what you'll study to prepare for the written test. If you're a new resident applying for your first license, have a suspended license, or you're a foreign national, you'll need to go through the main public safety office in Mobile. Once you've studied and feel ready, head to a licensing office to take the written knowledge test. It's a multiple-choice exam, either on paper or on a computer. If English isn't your first language, you can request the test in your native language. Even if the computer says you passed or failed, always confirm the result with the desk agent before leaving. If you're a new driver and you pass, you'll first receive a learner's permit. This lets you drive only when a licensed driver is sitting in the passenger seat. You can then take lessons on your own or through a driving school. When you're confident behind the wheel, you'll schedule a road test. On test day, make sure the car you bring has proper insurance and working equipment like lights and signals. During the exam, an inspector rides with you, directs where to drive, and checks your skills. You'll know right after the test if you passed. If you do, you'll get a temporary paper license, and your official card will arrive in the mail in about 2 weeks. Before your license is issued, you'll need to provide proof of identity, date of birth, and Alabama residency. Acceptable documents include a valid passport with visa or resident card, your I-94 arrival record, and either a social security number or a letter showing you're not eligible for one. There's also a license fee, and a quick vision test is required to make sure your eyesight meets driving standards. And that's the process.